Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is standard function, using standard function in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so many times you want to use some standard functions which you use in day-to-day life. So what do you do in order to get the sum of these numbers is equal to sum of all of these numbers. However, you don't need to type and select all these fields. You can achieve this same result by just one click. And how is that achieved? By using this auto sum button. You can also get this auto sum button from formulas bar. However, you can use it from here itself. So just press auto sum and Excel will get the the data with the current cell accompanied cell wherein numbers are there. So it will just calculate those numbers and give it to you. Same applies to horizontal level also. If you just click autism, it will give you data. Over here, you need to just be careful. Let's say you are having thousands of rows over here and one of the cell is not having data, and you just click the bottom cell, and let's say you have pressed auto sum, and this 90 was also part of your data, and let's say somewhere around over here there was 80. Okay, so you didn't knew, like in 1,000 rows you didn't got to know what all value are there. Okay, so in order to get this sum you can just click auto sum. However, if you are not sure whether any of the data might contain zero or blank value, you can always select this part and then click auto sum. So that will give you accurate results and proper result sets. So in cases wherein there are data both horizontally and vertically, in that case, if you use AutoSum, Excel will give you an option whether you want to use this or you want to just select. Let's say we want to take some of this data, and we have achieved that. Okay, so one more thing. So if you want to take sum of all of this data, what you do is you take sum of this value. Okay, then press enter, and then you will push this forward. Then if you want to take sum of this value, then you will select this and then push it forward. So instead of doing this, there is a better way. If you want to reuse the same formula again and again, what you can do is you just select this way and then just press auto sum, so it will give you the output. Okay, so this way that you can use different sums. So over here, if you see, it is taking data from here. However, if you want it from here, you can just select it. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can always use this auto sum. So there are different type of values over here. You can also get the max or count of numbers. So let's say you want the count over here, so you can always click this drop down from here and select count numbers over here. Okay, and in a similar fashion you can always use max of number or any other number also. So I will just move on to other functions also. Let's say you want to get the lowest of the number. So what you can do is just select the value. Okay, so let's say you want lowest or maximum of the number. So you will say lowest of, so lowest will be minimum. The function for it is minimum. So once you press M, you can see all the data over here, and if you press A, then you will see all the formulas over here starting with A. You want to see all the formulas with their grouping, you can always go to this section and play with these formulas. So let's say you want to get the lowest of these numbers, so you can always select, you can type minimum of this section. Okay, so you can get the minimum value over here is 1200. And in a similar way, if you want to get maximum, that is highest, then you can type max of which column, this column. So you need to select this column. So if you see over here, there are there are I will show you that again. So if I type equal to max of, so if you see over here, you can see there are number of options over here. So you can type in 10 comma 20, and then it will give you the output. Sorry, this is not the format. So if I type over here equal to max of 10 comma 20. So what it will give me is, again I did a mistake. Now this is not a mistake, actually the format over here is percentage. So if I write the same formula over here, equal to max of 10 comma 20, it will fetch me 20. Why? Because 20 is the maximum number. So if you see such kind of things, just cross check the format over here. Over here the format is percentage, and that's why it is showing as 2000%. However, it was just 20. One more thing over here I would like to show you is, if you type max of, let's say you want to check the max of this number, and let's say you have other number also, let's say you, so the max number over here is 7200. So for the demo purpose I will type 7000. Okay, so in this case you saw the output is 7200. However, if I type 7300, you see the output is 7300. Okay, so in a similar fashion, if you want to get median, just select this cell and you can get median. So in this way there are different formulas, standard formulas, which you can always use and explore to get and know how it is done and how it is not done. So just cross check the, in case you are not getting some proper data, just cross check your formula over here and the format which is in the current cell. Okay, so if you like this video, just give it the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.